In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money on YouTube with ChatGPT. Now, you don't need to show your face, you don't need to write your own content, and you don't even need to produce your own videos. All this can be done with AI. I'll be explaining how to find the niche, how to find topic ideas for that niche, how to write the script, how to produce the voiceover, and finally how to produce the video content. So let's get straight into it. If you're starting a brand new YouTube channel and you don't really know what to focus on, I suggest choosing something that you have an interest in. So choosing something like that, something that you're generally interested in, will help you develop content in the future much easier and keep you motivated for longer. Honestly, choosing the niche is one of the hardest things in this whole process, but once you choose it, just stick to it. For example, don't start a YouTube channel about helicopters and then halfway through produce videos about dogs. It's not going to work. If you're still not sure what to pick, let's ask ChatGPT for some high-paying YouTube niche ideas. It'll generate a list, might take a while, but let's see. Yeah, so tech, finance, business, gaming, health and wellness, they're all massive ones. Tech, we'll choose that. So after you choose a selected niche or category, you want to zone in, niche down. So we'll go expand on the tech category. Comparisons, the big one, top 10 lists. News. So to get more ideas, Google Trends is alright for this. So head over here, check what's trending. You can make videos on some of this stuff if you're interested in it. You can also search on Google, basically trending technology searches. So blockchain, AI, automation, Internet of Things, things like that. Comparison videos, top 10 lists, product comparisons, things like that. They actually do quite well on YouTube. So if you're looking for ideas based on that, literally just go to the search box and type in top 5 ways to, and then just go through the whole alphabet. So it populates a whole range of trending ideas. Be more interesting, become rich, become happy, conceal carries. So let's do this one. As you can see, some of these videos are literally just stock footage. Bright Side's a big channel. Another thing you can do is check the top or recent videos and see what videos are trending and doing well. You can then mimic that and make your own videos based on similar niches or areas. Christmas one's doing well. AI one. Another channel, Rainy Dose, basically stock footage as well. So they're basically YouTube automation channels. Quite easy to make, and that's what I'll be showing you in the rest of this video. Another thing you can do is go to Amazon, basically just search their trending items and pick something that you like. For example, a microphone. Go back to ChatGPT, generate 5 topic ideas for microphones. I've already done it. So if you want to choose that, another tool I use is called TubeBuddy. So basically it tells you the overall SEO score and how well you can rank for that keyword, key phrase. Search that one. Excellent, 100. So that's a really good one to choose. So after you choose a point that you like and TubeBuddy gives you an overall good SEO score, it's a free tool, by the way. I'll leave a link in the description. You then want to expand on this. So copy that. Tell ChatGPT to expand on it, expand on point 2. Then scan through these points to just make sure everything's easy to read and understandable. If you want to change anything, just literally just say rephrase point 6 and include brand names, for example. So include some well names, expands on the paragraph a bit more. If you want a conclusion, write me conclusion. Write me a catchy YouTube intro. So sometimes you need to play around with ChatGPT a bit to get what you want. I generated a few more intros, but they don't really work. So I'm going to try something along the lines of write me an intro based on how to choose the right microphone for your needs. That one works a bit better. So after you're done, copy the content, paste it into Word. All right, John, grab the body. You can rephrase it into your own words if you want, but this still works. After you're done with that, save it. So now that your script is ready and finalized, you now need to create your voiceover. So the three options that I recommend, I'll go over them briefly now, but expand on them later. Number one, using a premium AI tool. So the reason why you don't use free or cheap AI tools is because YouTube doesn't like it. It sounds too robotic and your channel probably won't get monetized. So either use a premium AI tool or choose the second or third option. Second option, go to Fiverr, search for voiceovers and sort by new. You'll get some good new and upcoming voiceover freelancers here. Third option is literally just record your own voice reading the script. So I'm using like a $10 microphone from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. But yeah, that works as well. So the best AI voiceover software or tools that I've used are Murph and Synthesis. So I'm going to give you an example on this one. We'll copy some text here.
Create flawless voiceovers with customization features like pitch, pause, pronunciation. Make the voiceover sound the way you want.
Good enough and passable by YouTube standards. So you can get monetized using that. Second option, go to Fiverr, search voiceover, sort by newest arrivals and gender. So say male for this example. Now the reason why you search by newest arrivals is because a lot of new freelancers, they want to come onto this platform and build their reputation. So some could be decent quality and offering their services for quite cheap. So we'll choose one, for example. You'll need to go through a few of them and just double check the quality. You can also filter by price. So let's do this one, for example.
Wine can make a good gift for a newly married couple as a housewarming gift.
What you can also do is try and get them off Fiverr. So say, contact me at .com, send them a screenshot or a photo of that, or a link. Copy that. So contact the seller with that, see if they want to do business off Fiverr. They save about 30% and they'll probably give you a cheaper price. Some don't do it, some like to build their reputation on Fiverr, and that's fine as well. So yeah, it's up to you. One thing to be cautious of with this is that some of these new freelancers, they just use AI software like Murph to make it seem like it's their own voices. Some people can't tell, so just keep that in mind. The third option that I recommend is, it's a free option. Just use your phone, record your own voice, and then attach it to Audacity, save it as an MP3, and you can use that in your video. If you don't want to use your phone, or if it's bad quality, you can order a microphone for like $20 from Amazon, and they work quite well. I'll be creating this whole video using AI, so let's pick option one. You want to open up your Murph account, so make an account, then create a new project and start blank. You can copy the text from your clipboard or import the previously saved file. Go that one. So the best option here is to split script by sentences. This is good for YouTube videos. It basically pauses between each sentence. You can choose a whole range of voiceovers here. Here are some examples.
Hi, I'm Nate. I'm one of the friendly and relatable American.
Hi, I'm Ava, the most versatile American voice in Murph. Hi, this is Sophie. I am a trustworthy Canadian voice, known.
Alright, we'll use this one, Nate. After you've chosen your selected voice, you want to go through the whole script and make sure it all makes sense. So for example, this one.
1. Intended use. Different microphones are designed.
Doesn't sound that great, so we need to fix it. Number 1. Dot point here, and then we'll probably do the same thing with all the points below. You can also preview the entire script instead of each block, but it's just for an example.
Number 1. Intended use. Different microphones are designed for specific.
Yeah, that's good enough. So we'll export the whole thing as an MP3 file. You can save that to your desktop and then attach it later to your video. We're now down to the final step, creating a video. So if you want a completely free method, I recommend going to sites like Pixabay and Pexels. So these two sites, they have stock footage, say videos and photos. You can download these and add it to your video editing software, say Adobe Premiere Pro, for example, and then upload that to YouTube. What I like doing though is using a software called Pictory. It's an AI video editing software. So you upload your text, your script, and it'll match certain stock footage from Storyblocks and other sites like that towards your content. So just to let you know, this is a paid software, but it's truly game changing and I wouldn't recommend it otherwise. So the plans range from 19 to 39, I believe. Yeah, I'm on the $39 plan. There's also a standard plan, which is okay for $19 a month. Premium plan basically includes everything. I've pasted a link in the description. It includes 20% off. It's an affiliate link. You also get 20% off on any selected plan that you choose. So let's get started. So you want to click on proceed and grab your text or your script from your saved Word file. That and paste it here. You also want to create a title, so just write something like microphone. You'll obviously change this when you're writing your own YouTube title. You then want to click on proceed and it'll give you an option for a number of templates to choose from. So for example, choose this. 16:9 is recommended. And what it's doing now is matching up premium stock footage with your text. This does take a while. So now that that's loaded, you want to upload the voiceover that you recorded. So go to audio, my uploads, and upload the track that you saved. You then want to sync the audio across the entire file. This may take a while, but it matches up all the text with the voice quite well.
Are you struggling to choose the right microphone for your needs? Hi, I'm John, and in this video, we're going to talk about.
Yep, looks good. Next, just you can adjust the text. So say 20 or 18 looks alright. And apply that throughout the whole file. You can also remove this if you don't like it. Text. Or keep it on. I like keeping it on, so. What I usually do next is go through each scene and see if the stock footage matches what it's talking about. So this, for example, we can change that. Visuals, library. What's it talking about? From budget to quality. We'll search in budget. Actually, just replace that, and it's done. Search in microphone. That one. So it does do quite well, but you do need to change some. Let's see how that looks.
Are you struggling to choose the right microphone for your needs? Hi, I'm John, and in this, from budget to sound quality, we'll cover all the factors you need to consider to make the best choice. So if you're in the market for a new microphone,
And this watermark will be removed once you choose a paid plan. So you don't need to worry about that. What you can also do here is, say if the scene is too short, you can merge these both together by clicking link scene, and it'll attach the same video clip to both lines of text. So once your file is done, I'm not going to go through it all now. You can also add end scenes and intros. Then click generate video, and it'll let you download the MP4. So once that's done, just click download, and it should download down here. You'll then need to save that to your desktop. And the last piece of the puzzle is creating your thumbnail. So just go over to Canva, choose any of these that you like. Say this one. So you can change all this up. Microphone. Change the text. Change buttons, change that. So after you do that, upload that thumbnail, upload the video, and you're good to go.